Happy Halloween.
Come in, Frankie.
Huh? Yeah, look at these decorations.
Yeah.
Especially this one right here.
Oh, yeah.
Teachers got to go to school.
Look at these.
Christian just got called in to go to work. He's got to go home and wash his face.
Who did?
Pa.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Come and see. Come in.
Come and see. Come and see. Here.
What's up?
Help you for a look. I think it's too low for you, yeah? It is too low for you.
I know, good job.
How you doing? I think it's over. Somebody else moving in here too.
Somebody else is moving in here.